Hi everybody, I'm Elijah from Crooked Row, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to dig up potatoes correctly, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to store them. So let's go out to the garden and get started. Okay, so we are in the potato row, and I'm going to start digging this up, but we're not just going to willy-nilly go in and just like start digging, at the plant. You don't want to do that because you might hit the potato and chop it in half. And in my opinion, I don't know about some of y'all, but dirt doesn't taste very good on potatoes, honestly. So you want to dig a little bit out from the plant, depending on how big your plant is. This is a small plant. We don't know how many potatoes this is gonna have on it. So I'm just going to probably dig out maybe like a foot and a half away from the plant and just dig around it and see how many potatoes I can get out of it. You guys just want to make sure also too that you want to get the hole at least kind of deep so that you make sure I'm not leaving any potatoes here, and if you're going to plant more potatoes here next time, you won't find a bunch of rotted potatoes because you may or may not have dug deeper to plant the potatoes. So alright, so I'm going to put the camera at the end of the row so I can just put this into a time lapse and just fast forward it through it all, and you guys can sit back and relax, and I will dig up all the potatoes. Okay, so I finished up digging the potatoes, and take a look at this. We got a pretty good harvest. Some of these are just massive potatoes. They're pretty big. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this inside and I'm gonna put it in a dark, cool place. Let me show you where I'm gonna put it though. Okay guys, we are inside of the Crooked Kitchen, and I am going to put the potatoes in this bin, and once I shut it, it will be completely dark, and it's inside, so it's pretty cool in here. These potatoes will have no light. The reason why you want it to be in a cool, dark place is the potatoes will go green otherwise, and if you have green potatoes, that means that they're poisonous and you can't eat them. So we're going to take our harvest of potatoes. Just dump them in here. Potatoes are a really good crop. I think everybody should grow them if you can. If you have the opportunity or the chance or the space to just grow your own potatoes, definitely at least try to grow them, because not only are potatoes good for eating, you can make french fries, which by the way, I made a french fry video. It's going to be down in the description. But potatoes are also good for your health, and there are tons of stuff that you can benefit from potatoes. If you have potato oil, you can use it for your skin. It's good for your heart health, it's good for blood pressure, and I'm pretty sure that there's a lot more uses for it. I'm not even listing, but honestly, I'd recommend growing potatoes. I think it's a generally good idea. They're real easy to grow too. You really just have to plop them in the ground and then let them grow. So potatoes are definitely a thing I would recommend. So alright guys, it'd be awesome if you would like and subscribe. And remember guys, if I can dig up potatoes and store them, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.